Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about how to find the square of a number. Finding the square of a number. Squares of small numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. are easy to find. But can we find the square of 23 so quickly? The answer is not so easy, but we may need to multiply 23 by 23. There is a way to find this without having to multiply 23 into 23. We know that 23 is equal to 20 plus 3. The 23 whole square is equal to 20 plus 3 whole square. Or we can write 20 into 20 plus 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Right? Then we can write 20 square plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 square. 3 is 400 plus 60 plus 60 plus 9, that is 529. In this way you can find the square of a number. Right? Or you can write in this way also. Find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication, that is 39. 39 square can be written as 30 plus 9 whole square, or 30 into 30 plus 9 plus 9 into 30 plus 9, or 30 square plus 30 into 9 plus 9 into 30 plus 9 square, or 900 plus 270 plus 270 plus 81 1521. Or it can be written as 42 square is equal to 40 plus 2 whole square, that is 40 into 40 plus 2 plus 2 into 40 plus 2, or 40 square plus 40 into 2 plus 2 into 40 plus 2 square, or 16 square plus 80 plus 80 plus 4, that is 1764. Other patterns in squares. Consider the following pattern. 25 square, this is 625. It can be written as 2300 plus 25, or 35 square is equal to 1225. 3 into 4, 3 into 4 hundreds plus 25, or 25 square 5625, that is 7 into 8 hundreds plus 25. 125 square 15625, 12 into 13 hundreds plus 25. Can you find the square of 95? Find the squares of the following numbers containing 5 in units place. We can find all these, right? Here is, we consider a number with a unit digit 5, that is a5. a5 whole square, right, is equal to 10a plus 5 whole square, or 10a into 10a plus 5 into 10a plus 5, or 100 square a square plus 50a plus 50a plus 25. 100a into a plus 1 plus 25, or a into a plus 100 plus 25. Right? We can write in this way. Plus 25. In this way you can find the various squares. Now we will discuss about Pythagorean triplets. Consider the following. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 9 plus 16, that is 25. It can be written as 5 square. The collection of numbers 3, 4, 5 is known as Pythagorean triplet. 6, 8, 10 is also a Pythagorean triplet, since 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64 equal to 100 is equal to 10 square. Again, observe that 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144 is equal to 169 is equal to 13 square. The numbers 5, 12, 13 form another such triplet. Can you find more such triplets? For any natural number m greater than 1, we have 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. So 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet for any natural number m greater than 1. Try to find some more Pythagorean triplets using this form. Example 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8. We can get Pythagorean triplet by using the general form 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Let us first take m square minus 1 equal to 8, m square equal to 8 plus 1, m square equal to 9, or m equal to 3. Therefore 2m equal to 6 and m square plus 1 equal to 10. The triplet is thus 6, 8, 10. But 8 is not the smallest member of this. So let us try 2m equal to 8, m equal to 4. We get m square minus 1 equal to 15, m square plus 1 equal to 17. The triplet is 8, 15, 17 with 8 as the smallest member. Find a Pythagorean triplet in which one member is 12. If we take m square minus 1 equal to 12, m square equal to 12 plus 1 that is 13, then the value of m will not be an integer. Then the value of m will not be an integer. So we try to take m square plus 1, that is 12, m square equal to 11, and we will give an integer value for m. So let us take 2m equal to, 2m equal to 12, then m equal to 6, m square minus 1, the 36 minus 1 that is 35, and m square plus 1, 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. Therefore the required triplet is 12, 35, 37. All Pythagorean triplets may not be obtained using this form. For example, another triplet 5, 12, 13 also has 12 as a member. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.